Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I love this conditioner. This conditioner is so thick. I just love the texture of it. My daughter's hair is very coarse, so it's really hard to get it nice and moist. After washing her hair, she definitely needs some moisture, so I just go in there with this conditioner, really get in there. I make sure that I hit every spot, which isn't that hard because this stuff is thick. I massage it in her hair. My daughter loves a good head massage. I'll even try to sneak in a few kisses. Even though it's thick, it is very easy to rinse out. It doesn't take forever and it doesn't really leave any residue, as you can see here. Her hair is almost dry now, a little damp, but you can see that it is very moist and soft, which is definitely what we are looking for. She even loves to touch it and see how moist it is. My daughter could be such a diva sometimes, so I have to make sure her hair look right. So my hair, you can see here, it's kind of dirty, super dry. So after shampooing it, I use the conditioner. And afterward, you can really see how much more moist, how much softer it is. So I use it on my hair and my daughter's hair, and we have no complaints. So normally I would just use a leave-in conditioner because I haven't found a rinse out conditioner that I like until now. This one is really, really good. I love it. It leaves your hair very nice and moist. Leave-in conditioner and rinse out conditioner is important, so I have been on the hunt for it, and I'm glad that I finally found it. And that's my point of view.